Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create shortcuts of websites on Android home screen. So if you feel you need to quick access into your favorite sites on Google Chrome, if you use Google Chrome as your default browser on your phone, you can easily create shortcut by tap on three dots at the top of your screen. Here you can tap on add to home screen. You can tap it and you can create shortcut by tap on add to home screen. Touch and hold to place manually. You can add, and let's go back to home screen, and this is the website's shortcut on your Android home screen. If you tap it, you'll be directly to your favorite websites. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.